Hey guys, I hope you're keeping well. Today we have been sent some amazing products over by the guys at Jobeky. We've been sent some mesh drum heads and some internal triggers too, with the hopes of turning my acoustic kit into the most amazing hybrid kit. So without further ado, let's unbox the boxes. So you've just seen me unbox these products. I mean, they're amazing. I absolutely love the mesh drum heads. They're a little bit better than just normal crappy ones that you'd get. I've got a Millennium MPS 1000 kit, which has been amazing, but the mesh drum heads on that, they're pants. They're not that good. I can't forget about those amazing triggers. They are insane. I mean, the fast fit snare trigger module, that is so cool. You literally just take off the top snare drum head and just pop in the trigger system in. That is insane, amazing. I mean, Roland hasn't done that, so you know. So watch out for the next video for when I turn my Liberty acoustic kit into the most amazing hybrid kit there is, with these internal triggers and the mesh drum heads from Jobeky. I'll catch you in the next video. See you soon.